Welcome to Copycat AI training videos. In this tutorial we are going to show how to clone an ad in Copycat AI. Go to the left menu and click on Ad Cloner. Here you can create ads by paste a product URL, customize settings, and generate engaging ads. To create a cloned ad, click on Clone your first ad. Now add campaign name, source URL. Add output format. You can create a full AI video ad or single image ad. Aspect ratio, target video duration, and advanced video enhancements. Now click on Start Cloning Ad. And your ad will be created. You can view your created ad in My Ad Campaigns section. Here you can manage, preview, download, and share your generated AI video and image ad campaigns. You can view your ad and also share it.
Unlock your digital marketing potential with proven strategies that work now. Stop wasting time on ineffective tactics and start seeing real results. Learn the essential
Download it. Edit ad title name. Share your video on social networks. Thanks for watching the video.